Why are semantic fields important for precise word choice? Imagine trying to describe a scene with only a handful of words. It would be hard to capture all the details accurately, right? That's where semantic fields come into play. They help us organize words into groups based on related meanings, making our language clearer and more specific. A semantic field, also called a lexical field or semantic domain, is a set of words that share a common idea or experience. For example, the semantic field of furniture includes words like chair, table, sofa, and bed. These words aren't synonyms, but they all relate to the same category. Knowing this helps us pick the right word for the right situation. Understanding semantic fields makes it easier to see how words connect and differ. For example, within the food semantic field, words like apple, banana, and orange are all fruits. But each has its own specific meaning and use. Recognizing these differences helps us be more precise when we speak or write. Semantic fields also help us avoid confusion. If someone says bark, knowing whether they mean the sound a dog makes or the outer layer of a tree depends on the context. Knowing the semantic field clarifies which meaning fits best. This reduces misunderstandings and makes communication smoother. Using semantic fields encourages us to expand our vocabulary. Instead of repeating the same word, we can choose different words from the same group to add variety. For example, instead of always saying happy, we can use joyful, content, or ecstatic depending on the situation. This adds nuance and richness to our language. Words within a semantic field often carry different connotations or levels of formality. For instance, in the emotion field, happy is casual, while elated sounds more intense. Picking the right word helps us express exactly how we feel or want to sound. For language learners and teachers, semantic fields are a useful tool. They show how words are related and help learners remember and use vocabulary correctly. It's like seeing the map of a language's landscape, making navigation easier. When a channel defines a word, explains where it comes from, and shows how to use it, referencing its semantic field makes the explanation clearer. For example, if the channel explains cabbage, they might say it belongs to the vegetable group, compare it with related words like lettuce and kale, and give example sentences. In short, semantic fields are key to choosing words carefully. They reveal how words are connected and how they differ within a language. This knowledge helps us pick the best word for any situation, making our communication more precise and effective.